Hello there. So today we look at an amazing software and all-in-one marketing platform that will transform the way you carry out your online business. So by transform, I mean you'll have everything that you need and under one roof. Yeah. And to make things even better, you can start for free. So if you are a beginner and you're worried about budgeting or maybe the need for expensive software, no, System.io got you, because you can have the free plan and you can enjoy all the features that you want. So System.io is great for freelancers. So if you're affiliate marketer, if you're basically a freelance online marketer, if you're a consultant and you do run webinars, if you're a small business owner and you run your own e-commerce store, or you sell physical digital products, or if you're an educator and you run courses, that is, you build and teach online course creators, you're all covered by System.io. So it's been in the industry for a while now, for a long time, and it has great reviews. I can attest to it because I started using it, the free package, and later upgraded to the paid packages. So I can promise you, I can assure you that System.io is the real deal. Its simplicity is amazing. So you don't need any technical skills to actually use it. Even if you've never actually interacted with these complex systems before or software, System.io is direct. It's very simple. It's a UI, user interface is amazing, very simple, very direct. So there's no you can get lost. So why should you even consider using System.io? This is because you don't have to use different tools from different providers to give you the services that you want. You can use one platform that has everything that you need to carry out your email marketing, to build your website, your sales funnel, your affiliate program, to automate your marketing activities, run your webinars, sell products, all that. Send email market. If you use a MailChimp and also another one, maybe Katra for the funnels, and then you need like Click Funnels, or you need maybe Kajabi, or ThinkFic for your courses, that will be costly for one and also time consuming. Jumping from one software to another will definitely cost you time, and at the end of the day, that is money, and that is the time that you should be using to grow your business. So if you're a beginner, you can just start right away. Even if you have you're veteran and you have a system but it's not working right for you, System.io has packages for every level that you're at. If you're a beginner, if you're in the intermediate, you're still a learner but you're getting the grip of things. If you established business and or agency that has a lot of different domains, you run multiple sales funnels, you send thousands of emails like every day, System.io has got you covered. As we'll see, it has plans for every person. So look at this. The pricing, of course, the first package is completely free. Then you have the startup as 27, the webinar 47, and unlimited for 97. Can you imagine the unlimited, where you have everything of these? Unlimited is only $97, and you can start free and enjoy all these features, of course at a limited number. But think about it, when you're starting out, of course you can't have like 10 or maybe 20 sales funnels running, right? So you wouldn't need even the 97 dollars. You just need the free one. Prove your concept, grow, make some profit, and then reinvest. You can definitely afford the $27 if you're running a successful business, even as a beginner. So unlimited emailing is available for all plans, unlimited storage, online support, the affiliate program is available for all, as well as the unlimited community members and also students for your course. So why not start, or rather why not switch? Because this is awesome. I can assure you this is awesome. So a wrap up, still on the features, you know, system.io can easily, yeah, transform the way you carry out your business. So why not start today? And look at this. You can save all these a whole $320 per month by using system.io, whichever level. Even if you use the $97, these are one time with unlimited features, all the features that you've seen, unlimited. Yeah, for free you can start as you build up your business and as you grow. So why not start today? It's no excuse for expensive software out there. You can start right away, and these will do magic for you. If you have the right strategies, I have to insist, for you to succeed in online marketing, you need to have your strategy right. You need to know exactly what you're doing, because even if you have the perfect um, software, like a great software, even if it's for free like system.io, yet you do not have the strategies, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to even craft the marketing messages, copywriting, you're not okay with it, then your business will not succeed. So just polish on that, and by the time you get to system.io, create a free account. Just prove your point, like create your sales funnels, your emails, just send them, see how it is, run it over time. Yeah, prove your concept, and when it gets the traction that you need, it starts being successful, then you can now build up, onto it, and upgrade the other packages. So if you're a beginner and you'd like to start, or you are a veteran and you'd like to switch to system.io, because it is amazing and very simple and direct to use, there's a link in the description. You can use it. It is my affiliate link, meaning I get a commission if you ever switch to the paid plan. But this is not an obligation, it's just a way to support me for sharing the information. But my challenge is, go ahead and build your business. Take advantage of these free software and these free services, and just, go for it. Just as a disclaimer, when you have the free plan, it will definitely have a watermark, the system.io watermark. But as a beginner, I don't think that should be an issue, because you're getting all the features that you want, and maybe even your target audience doesn't do not even know what system.io is, or don't even care. The value that you're offering is what matters. So I challenge you, go ahead, take a step. If system.io is your choice, go ahead and sign up, and let me know how it goes.